I don't care what anybody says or tells me. This guy here is the Judas of Africa. This Ugandan's president is the Judas and the enemy of progress of Africa, of Mama Africa. This man is the brother that's always betrayed us. Every time we have a good president or good leader within Africa that's trying to make Africa stand on its feet, that's trying to make Africa come back, the Western world, the Europeans always use him. They always use him, to cut down that leader. The guy betrayed his best friend, Gaddafi. Gaddafi was his best friend. Gaddafi built so many things for him in Uganda. In fact, Gaddafi was the one who helped him to come into power. What did he do? He betrayed his own best friend. Who killed our president, John Garang? Dr. late John Garang. Yes, it's a higher power, but they had help from African brother. And not only him, there's others. I'm gonna do a full video on that. There's others. But this guy here, I want to warn President Captain Abraham of Burkina Faso to be careful from this guy. He keep on inviting him to come to Uganda. I warn you from this guy. He is the Judas of Africa.